writes books and they publish them so we can all read them. That's fabulous. So, without any more delay, I will introduce you to Mr. Matthew Gollub. Give him a big old hand.
Oh, chuca chuca thing, ay caramba, como llego a la chuca pachanga, let's go, chuca chuca thing, ay caramba, como llego a la chuca pachanga. Ichi ni san tan tan.
Ichi ni san tan tan.
1, 2, 3, around they run.
1, 2, 3, around they run.
She go loku ho.
She go loco ho.
4, 5, 6, their red eyes glow.
4, 5, 6, their red eyes glow.
To me, they're friendly, and what's more, they stand guard over slumber's shore. When spooky dreams fill me with fright, they chase those dreams. Into the night. And the zombie too. But then the swim, and then the fly, and then they shimmied. You guys like that part? Okay, let's do it together. Then they shimmied. I think we better do that again. Shimmy! 2 by 2. And then dun 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 dun. Let's everybody stand up and waltz with me. Dun 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 The father knew he was going to need help. He went to see a curandero, an expert in herbs and special cures. The curandero covered the boy's face with basil leaves and banana leaves, but he couldn't turn him back. Finally, the boy's father heard talk of a nawal, a magic worker so powerful that he could turn himself into an owl or an ocelot, a spotted mounted cat. The nawal lived on top of a faraway mountain where thunder always rumbled and where rain was never far. The boy's father said, ¿Qué le pasará a mi hijo? What will become of my son? The answer, said the nawal, is in the clouds. So the boy put on the mask. Nunca se la quitó. He never took it off. Not to sleep, not to eat, not to brush his teeth. I didn't really write that in the book. I'm just improvising a little bit. Stop ting. Oh, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Give it a try. All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
And Matthew, you gave me really, truly a masterclass on what it's like to be a children's book author who can successfully entertain and educate kids in a dynamic school visit that's not boring, that's exciting, that's dynamic. It was amazing. As a new children's book author, it was a true pleasure to get to witness you do that. Work your magic.